Hello, guys. This is Gold Sniper here from XAUUSD, and let's begin our analysis for the next week, which is on 10th July 2023. But before we jump into next week's analysis, I just wanted to show you my trading plan, which I shared for Friday in my Telegram channel. So on Friday, I had shared this on Thursday in my Telegram channel, and I had told gold is sell on rise below 1915, okay, and buy on dips above 1950. So below and at 1915, we'll wait for pullback at a resistance to take sell call. So if you will see what happened on Friday, if you'll see the gold chart, okay, so Friday gold prices was consolidating here, and then slowly it creeped up till 1915. Okay, although yes, price fell, but not to our expected target of 1910, but still it gave a good 30 pip down move from the the 1915 level. Okay, so that part we got a little bit wrong, but you still managed the 30 pip move from there. But at the same time, when gold started giving closing above 1915, okay, read the second part. If gold closes above 1915, we'll buy for the next resistance as a target. And if you remember how my trading style, we buy here, so we keep a $5 stop loss for a next target of 1920. And you can see gold was slowly creeping upwards, and in the American session retraced till 1914, and boom, it went till like 1928. From there it gave a pullback to almost again 1915 level, and then gold again went up till 1935, and again sell off came, and now gold is around like 1925. So now what can we do for tomorrow? Before we go for tomorrow, we will check the monthly, weekly charts as well, okay, since it's the start of a new week. Okay, so if you will see on the monthly chart, okay, this is give me a second, just one second. Yeah, so wait, I'll hide these tools. So hide. Hide. No drawings. Okay, I'm not able to find, and I don't want to waste your time. So okay, we will just is it understandable? That's my only concern. um can we see, is there a tool to hide these drawings? Okay, we'll do this. Okay, I think Control Z. Yeah, it comes back. Okay, fine. So this is the way we will do it. Okay, so on a monthly basis, if you will see, gold, after giving this last 2 months was a pullback, and now it is forming a sort of like a bullish sort of candle. Okay, which it's a good sign. Okay, but it needs to sustain like this for the end of the month. Maybe possible we can reverse also, but okay, it's not a very negative sign also. There is still hope for bulls. Okay, this can be seen like a a pullback of sorts. Okay, so pullback in the sense ki like gold went like this first. Okay, this was the impulse move. Okay, then here was the pullback, then gold again made the impulse move, and then it's a sort of retracement, we can say, for like maybe the next month we can see something of this sort. Okay, so this here is my view on a monthly basis. Okay, now let's hop on to the weekly basis chart. Okay, weekly basis. Okay. Okay, so on the weekly basis also, it sorts of looks like this is a sort of like a W pattern. Okay, possible, very, it is possible if there is some good news from the Fed, then we can make a turnaround like this and go. Or it could also be a triple top formation and come down as well. Okay, so it is, nothing is confirmed yet, but still it looks bullish to me only. It does not look bearish to me at all. Okay, this pattern. So it, because it has not even formed a higher low yet. Okay, the previous swing low was around 1806. Okay, this swing low is not broken. Okay, so still I believe in the bullish story in the gold. Now we'll jump on the daily candle, daily charts as well. Okay. Mm, Unfortunately, my drawings I'm not able to see. Okay, we have another way. I'll then jump to investing.com then. Yeah, I think investing.com is only the good one. I have troubles with trading view, so we'll use our investing.com chart only. Okay, so we were now looking at the daily charts. Okay, so daily charts also, if you will see, it is still inside this channel. Okay, again we are taking sort of this resistance, and that resistance level is coming around same year 1935 to 1930 region. Approximately, you can say here we are facing a hurdle. We are not able to close above this region. Okay, and there are also this resistance level which is like around 1945 on 1940 to 1945. This is another block of resistance over here. Okay, on gold. So now that's the daily view. We'll jump on to the hourly chart, which is our favorite chart. Hourly basis, if you will see, gold has been within this downward sloping channel. Gold has formed another channel. Okay, and that channel I'll mark. It's a parallel channel, you can say. Okay, uh, that channel also I will draw here. So, so the upside of this channel, if you will see, is somewhere around like 1935. It's coming. Okay, here. Okay, and the downside of this channel, approximately around 1910, but the lowest point I will let's say we'll consider till 1900. Okay, so mostly gold is traveling inside this channel only. If you'll see, from here selling is coming, here buying is coming. Okay, so we have this upper end of the channel is the biggest resistance around 1930 to 35, which I think, if there is the next week the CPI inflation data is coming, if that is favorable, then definitely this resistance block we can break. Okay, and also this upper resistance block, which is the channel coming. Okay, so so gold is right now within this range of like 1935 to like 1892. So this big range gold is trading. Okay, and another interesting thing, if you will see, if I increase the time frame a little bit from 1 hour to 4 hour, it is a sort of cup and handle, not a cup and handle, a head and shoulder sort of pattern is forming over here. So I'll do one thing. I'll draw that pattern for you guys. Just give me a sec. Got it. So the cup. So if you will see, this is like here. This is the shoulder. Okay, blue. I'll mark it in blue color. Blue color. Yeah, this is the shoulder. This is the head of the pattern. Okay, and again we have formed a shoulder. Okay, a left shoulder, right shoulder, I mean. Yeah, so here, so it's the pattern formation is completed. All we need is a closing above 1930. Want gold to trade above this level for some time. Okay, if gold starts trading above this level sometimes, or maybe goes till 1940, gives a pullback till 1930. Okay, and then it goes up. So the bullish scenario from here, I will tell you, it's what is possible if, let's say, gold starts trading above 1930. Okay, for like 5 to 15 minutes gold is trading, then immediately you can buy with a $5 stop loss for a target of 1940. Okay, market in blue. Okay, immediately this you will be bullish and buy, because it's a pattern breakout. Or gold can do, if like the news is very strong, it can give a breakout till 40 or 45 level, come back to retest this channel, maybe around 35 or 30 level it can. And after pullback, if gold starts moving upwards, then also you can buy. Okay, then this becomes bullish. This will become the bullish scenario. Okay, but mainly we have to break even this channel also for that. Okay, so this is how the bullish scenario can work out. Okay, and second thing I will tell you, other than this pattern formation, is that where is the best place to enter below, if we are below this channel. Now understand, uh, our stop loss. Okay, just a second. This has moved a little bit. 1905. Yeah. Okay, so what we can do now, I will do one thing. We will on a daily chart I will switch back. Okay, And I will just draw. I'll use my favorite tool, the Fibonacci, once again over here. Fibonacci, Fibonacci. Yeah. So on a daily basis, if you will see from the very swing low, okay, to the swing high, okay, gold, has, after this move, it has given a pullback till 0.786 level, and again, it has bounced back upwards. Okay, so and from here also, if you will take from the previous swing low to the daily swing high, okay, if I mark here, okay, here also you can say gold retraced till this level. Okay, gold, made a retracement till almost this one level of the Fibonacci, and then again bounced back up. Okay, so so now we won't look at the daily basis. Now we, what we will do, we will look at the previous swing low and swing high. So previous swing low was here. Okay, and the proper pullback came around this level. So right now what I feel for tomorrow, the pullback part is still pending. Okay, that means the range, buying range, for our Monday will be, if this block of, this is a very big block of resistance around 1930. So 2 3 scenarios I'll tell you. I don't think this block of 1930 will be easily broken in the Asian session. London session, maybe it might be broken, but not sure. I'm not 100% sure. Only in American section, you can expect a breakout above this level, because it's a strong resistance. So the first scenario I'll talk about, let's say in the Asian session, if price is around like 1930, okay, then if around 1930 or a little above, you can short for a target of like till 1920. I don't want you to short for very big targets, okay, because after such a big move, you want a pullback, okay, and when you're shorting right now, it is against the trend, because the trend has become bullish again. Okay, so we want the correct entry place. So the correct entry place, if I will mark it for you guys, okay, so is if as per Fibonacci levels, if it is the correct entry place is in this range, especially, so that is 0.382 level to 0.618 level. This is the ideal entry place for gold. So this is like 1912, sorry, 1923 to 1915 level. Okay, this is the entry place. And mm, so what we can do is, we can attempt a buy, because at 1920, because there is a support also present here. Okay, we can go let gold pull back till here. Okay, we will attempt a buy for the target of like a 1930, or maybe max to max 35. Okay, if um, yeah, so 30 safely you can aim. If gold comes till 1915 also, then also we will attempt a buy trade only. Okay, then we will expect, if gold comes till 1915, we'll wait for it to go about 1920, give a pullback, and then break out like this. Okay, this is a sort of move I am expecting. Okay, so for tomorrow, we will be on the buy side. Okay, let price come in this range from 1923 to 1915. Okay, and in this range, we will attempt our buy trade. Okay, so that's our plan. Okay, for Monday. Okay, so for Monday we will be on the buy side of the trade. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say for to you guys for now. So thank you, and have a great day. Then we'll see you on Monday. And before that, just one more thing I want to say. We'll just cover if there is any news factors which is going to come, which can affect our analysis for tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow, if you will see, I mean, tomorrow is a Sunday actually, so that's why this is showing like this. But next week I will have to pick. Yeah. So next week, if you will see, Monday, Monday, any important data? Monday there isn't any important data, so we'll go to Tuesday this week. Tuesday there is the German CPI inflation numbers, then short-term energy outlook, okay, by EIA. Then this is the New Zealand interest rate decision on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, yes, Wednesday is going to be very hectic. US core CPI and CPI inflation data, very important. We have Bank of Canada's interest rate decision. We have crude oil inventories. Um, then we go to Thursday. Thursday is the GDP data of UK, and also there is the initial jobless claim and PPI data from US. Then Friday, if you will see, Friday, not much very important data. So these are all the so Wednesday is the most data heavy day. That day we need to be careful. Okay. So Monday, nothing much to worry about. So if there is not much data, then we can expect price to follow our price charts. Okay. Guys, if you finding my analysis very interesting, please join me in my Telegram group. My Telegram group is mentioned in the description of the YouTube video. Do click on it and subscribe to my channel, and do like my video because it gives me encouragement. Also comment on my channel. Okay, so see you soon, see you on Monday then, and let's see how our analysis pans out. Goodbye.